Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Nocentino, Enterprise Architect and founder of Centino Systems. Welcome to my course, Managing Kubernetes Controllers and Deployments. Are you a systems administrator or developer that needs to deploy workloads in Kubernetes clusters? If you do, then this is the course for you. In this course, we'll start our journey with an introduction to Kubernetes controllers. We'll learn what controllers are and how they maintain the desired state for our applications. Then we'll dive straight in and learn about the deployment controller, the primary way to deploy applications in Kubernetes. We'll start off with an introduction and the basics of using deployments, and then we'll dive deep and learn how we can use deployments to maintain our applications. We'll learn techniques on how to update, roll back, and scale our deployments in Kubernetes. And to wrap it up, we'll look closely at some additional controllers in Kubernetes, the daemon set, job, cron job, and stateful set. We'll learn what scenarios we would want to use these controllers in and how to create, update, and manage applications deployed using these controllers. By the end of this course, you'll have what it takes to roll out, maintain, and scale production workloads in Kubernetes. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Linux operating system and administering it at the command line. You should have a firm understanding of TCP/IP-based networking and also understand the fundamental concepts of containers. You'll also need to know the core concepts of Kubernetes, like what a cluster is and how to interact with your cluster at the command line. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to deploy and manage workloads in Kubernetes in the course Managing Kubernetes Controllers and Deployments.